Hey everybody, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another weekly ad and insert. This week, everything that you see here is going to be running from July 28th through August 3rd. And I did not do one last week. I am truly sorry about that. But I am here because P&G came out, so I had to do a video. Before we get started, let me know down below if you have a channel and if you do budgeting or couponing. I would love to support you guys. And also make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this or any videos about budgeting that you are interested in. But this week we are going to go over Target, CVS. We have a Smart Source, a Retail Mina, and we have the P&G. So let's get started. I believe I'm going to do the ads this time. So I haven't looked at any of this. I literally just got it out of the newspaper and laid it out because I really wanted to get to this video for you guys and upload it really fast. But in the blue section right here, when you spend $30 you get $10, and these are all in the P&G couponing insert that I'm going to show y'all in a little bit. But make sure you guys check that deal out. I won't be doing any deals because I will be at Disney, so I am truly just showing this to you guys for y'all to go out and budget and coupon and get some great deals. Top section is spend $30, get $10 again. That is the same as the front page. And I'm just going to go over this really fast. Here is some makeup deals that you can pause and screenshot it for you guys. I hope everybody is having a great weekend. I am still stressed out because I have not packed yet. And I really want to do a video of what I packed for Disney. So hopefully I can get that up. Colgate deals. Irish Springs, 2 for $8, get a $3 extra care buck. Alright. If I am going fast through this, just let me know in the comments, and then next week I will go a little bit slower and go in more depth with it. Some more makeup deals. Here's some Dove chocolate. Razors is spend $25, get $10. Alright, so that is everything for the CVS ad. That is starting tomorrow, or today actually, July 28th through the 3rd. And next up we're going to go look at Target. Alright, so Target is literally all about school supplies. I cannot believe that it is almost time for school. But we're going to do this little wraparound piece of paper from the ad real quick. It is spend $50, you get $15 on household essentials shown above. And it's probably throughout the ad also. Here is the buy any 4, get $5. Half of these are in the P&G. Here is buy 3, get $5 on any eye care, vitamin care, and pain relief. And then on the back, it is the same thing as the front. When you spend $50, you get $15. So there is some extra stuff. And a lot of these laundry detergent and paper towels are in the P&G. Alright, so going back to this, like I said, it's all about school supplies. School going back in session. I know where I'm from, down in Alabama, there's one school that is a year-long school that they launched about a year ago. No, 3 years ago. My bad. 3 years ago. And, I mean, a lot of people haven't really been complaining about it. I mean, apparently it has increased in, like, discipline and academics and everything. So, I thought it was really cool. I think a lot of, like, the foreign countries have year-long school because my family, my mom's side, is from the Philippines, and I know they have year-long school, and they literally graduate in like the 7th grade, and then they go to college. Like, it's crazy. Alright, so there is a $10 off of 30 bedding, bath, indoor furniture, rugs, and lighting purchase. So it's actually a pretty good deal. And here is some stuff that you can pick up and use that coupon for. This is mainly for college. I think they're trying to promote college. Room decors and everything for their dorm rooms. But I mean, you can do it for your office or anything like that. 79 cents for these plates. They're like hard plastic, I guess you can say. I've seen them at Target. Alright, some movies. $15 gift card when you buy any NFL, Madden 20, and the select Doritos. All books are 20% off. Love these calculators. I have this color. Absolutely love it. I used it throughout high school. I've used it on my ACT test. Great calculator. Alright, on the razors, when you spend $15, you get $5, and there is some coupons in the P&G. Oral care, buy 3, get $5. Any Revlon or Maybelline, buy 2, get $5 on the lipsticks. Hair, buy 3, get $5. And there's a 25% off on the lipstick. On Monday only. Alright, baby is spend $100, get $20 back. And you can spend it on anything. Pet supplies, when you buy 2, get $5. There is the coupon for the spend 50, get 15. It's literally all of these. So make sure you go and check that out for sure. I can't get it. Alright, here's some foods. Nothing too exciting about that. And that's it. So that is everything on the Target ad. So we are going to go and skip to the coupon inserts now. Alright, so we're going to go over the Smart Source first. Alright, we have, for all the pet lovers, a lot of coupons. A lot of coupons. Let's go and go over that real quick. For dog and for cat food. 2 weeks only is $2 off a 200 count. Alright, Dollar General. I don't shop there. So I'm just going to skip through there. Here's some Mott's applesauce. We have some lotion. Alright, let's see. Some cereal deals. Nature Made products. Oh, absolutely love these coupons. $1.50 off of 2. That's good. That's a good deal. I wonder if you can use it on the Target. If you can, use that. Summer Eves, I love these products. And they're really cheap too when you get those coupons. Alright, so I think that is it for the Smart Source. So that had pretty good deals. Mainly for dog and cat food, but still good deal. So now we're going to move on to the Retail Me Not one. The first coupons are the gum. Alright, we got some water. Lotion again, sun products. Krispy Kreme, always love me some Krispy Kreme. But I don't live too close to one. I think I'm like 45 minutes away from one. So if I ever go down there and the hot sign is up, then I would definitely go and get some. Alright, here is some Suave shampoo products. Love the body wash. Love the deodorant. Alright, don't think there's anything else. Let's see. Nope. Got some medicine for kids and Benadryl. We got some Band-Aids, Neosporin. Alright, so that is everything that is on for Retail Me Not. The next thing we are going to do is the P&G. Everybody loves the P&G. A lot of people do not get P&Gs in their newspapers, which is crazy, but thankfully I get it. But we're just gonna, here's some baby products. Alright, vitamin care that you can use at Target. Cleaning supplies. I love Mr. Clean Magic Erasers. Here is all of the laundry. Love, love. Where's the Tide though? There's the Tide. $3 off, $2 off, $3 off, $2 off. Absolutely love it. Make sure you go to Target and use these for sure. Studio, actually, I think I bought a bottle of this. I haven't used it yet, but Drift. Got it from my friend for her baby shower. Love it. If it's on sale in that Target ad, definitely need to go and stock up on that because they're like $10. Cascade. Dawn. Love me some Dawn. Buy one, get one free for Breeze. Alright. ZzzQuil. I love me some ZzzQuil. If I can't go to sleep, just take some ZzzQuil, you guys. Oral care. Alright, let's see. Always herbal essences. I don't like herbal essences because it just messes up my hair. Pantene, always a good deal. $5 off of 3. Buy one, get one free. Waterless product. Huh, interesting. Alright, some Olay. Gillette, Secret. Some more Olay. Okay. Head and Shoulders. Razor deals. Love razor deals. I need to start stocking up more of that because I gave them away on the baby shower. Alright. Alright, you guys, so that is the P&G. Now let me get all of this organized and we'll just do a final overlook of this. Alright, you guys, so this is the final overview of the video. Like I said, all of these ads start on July 28th, which is today that you are watching this, till August the 3rd, which is Saturday. So make sure you go get your P&G, your Retail Me Not, and your Smart Source. Get some of those. You can also look on coupons.com, smartsource.com, retailmenot.com. There is coupons that you can print out. But I just go and spend $3 and get me a newspaper. But make sure you go and do those deals because those are some excellent deals. Especially at Target with that spend $50, get $15 back. You can do so many deals. But like I said before, let me know down below if you enjoy these videos. Let me know what kind of deals you are going to be doing this week also. And make sure you subscribe and like this video so I will know to continue to make more videos. But anyways, I hope y'all have a great week and I will see you guys later. Bye.